Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Instagram Reels not working or not showing. First of all, you're going to go ahead and update your Instagram account. Go to your app store, search for Instagram, and then make sure to update your app to the latest version if you haven't already. After that, scroll down from the top of your phone and then make sure to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out certain network issues. Now if that does not work, just go ahead and restart your phone. Then open your Instagram app, click on the profile app icon in the bottom right, and then click on the three-line icon on the top right. Scroll down and then log out. Then after a while, log back in. Next, you're going to change your age in settings over 18. Reels sometimes restrict minors. Safety tip: do not use modded Instagram apps. Quick fix: reinstall Instagram, and that's it. Subscribe for more tips.